Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the product that I chose for my September 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag, and this is from Ciate, London. It's the Everyday Vacay Coconut Lip Oil. And so if you haven't seen my unbagging of that yet, that video is up here on my YouTube channel. But I love lip oils because I have such dry lips, especially as the weather gets cold. My lips get even more dry, but even right now, they're literally like flaky. It's so gross looking, but hopefully this lip oil will really help to transform, hydrate, give some sheen to my lips. This is vegan and cruelty-free. And let's go ahead and just apply it to my lips here. Ooh. Comes out a little fast. Oh my gosh. It doesn't have an overwhelmingly strong coconut smell, but it does have that little bit of like tropical flavor hint to it. It has some nice shine. I'm trying to like rub it into my lips, work it into my lips, because immediately the dry, flaky areas on my lips are still there. Like I want it to be deeply moisturizing and get rid of the dryness. But it's just kind of layering on top of it. Like where my lips were not as super dry, it's moisturizing enough, slightly smoothing out the lines in my lips, but I can still see those dry patches and like the dry texture is still there on my lips. So it's kind of more like a lip gloss in terms of like how moisturizing it is for my dry lips. It's just overall just kind of coating over the dry patches. So for super dry lips, I don't think this is the best product, but for like normal, slightly dry lips, I think this is fine. So this isn't awful, but it's clearly not the best lip oil I've tried. And I've tried out lip oils that I like more than this that are way less expensive. $15 for this. I just feel like you can get better products out there, but it's not so terrible that I'll never use it again. So if you've tried this out, I would love to hear in the comments down below how it works for you. I mean, everyone's got different skin, different lips, so this could be great on someone else. But for me and my dry lips that are just going to be getting drier as the weather gets colder, I feel like, well, this like could be more of like a summer lip product for me, but it's not going to be my go-to winter chapped lip product, which unfortunately I was hoping it would be. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.